What if I told you Ferrari, the brand known for speed, power, and pure racing DNA, has just flipped the script with something no one ever expected? A machine that isn't just about the road, but about living on it. Yes, this is the 2026 Ferrari Motor Home, a name that already sounds like a contradiction, but wait until you see what it hides under its breathtaking design. Welcome back to Car Quest Pro, the channel where we uncover the wildest rides and futuristic machines you won't believe exist. And today, Ferrari's boldest gamble is here: luxury, power, and lifestyle fused together in a way only the prancing horse could imagine. At first glance, the 2026 Ferrari Motor Home looks nothing like the bulky RVs you're used to seeing. It carries the same sculpted aerodynamics that Ferrari pours into its hypercars: sharp edges, flowing lines, carbon fiber detailing, and a stance that screams dominance. Even at its massive size, it looks like it's built to cut through the wind at 200 miles per hour. The signature Ferrari red paint wraps its body like fire on wheels, while its aggressive front and quad exhausts whisper a promise: this is still a Ferrari at heart. But the real shock comes when you step inside. Forget cramped spaces and boring interiors, the Ferrari Motor Home is designed like a moving villa. Italian leather couches, racing-inspired driver's cockpit, high-tech infotainment that controls everything with just a voice command, and a panoramic glass ceiling that makes you feel like you're riding under the open sky. It's a blend of Ferrari's racing passion and ultimate comfort, a home and a supercar combined. Now, let's talk about the beast under the hood. This monster is powered by a hybrid V12 engine paired with electric motors, pushing out a jaw-dropping 1,050 horsepower. Despite being a motor home, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds, something unheard of in this category. Top speed: a crazy 155 miles per hour, making it officially the fastest motor home in the world. And of course, all that comes at a price. The 2026 Ferrari Motor Home doesn't come cheap. Starting at $2.5 million, this is a rolling palace reserved for only the most elite Ferrari enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on luxury or performance. So here's the question: is this the future of travel, or just Ferrari's most insane experiment yet? Imagine cruising highways not in a slow RV, but in a motor home that sounds like a supercar. The 2026 Ferrari